The stage is set for the counting of votes in Karnataka as 224-member assembly went to polls on May 10th. Exit polls have predicted an edge to the main opposition, Congress. The last election in Karnataka was in 2018 when exit polls had predicted an edge to the BJP. And the prediction was quite right, and BJP did come to power and ruled the state for 5 years, up until now. As the countdown is on, let's take a look at the top 5 biggest victories in the 2018 assembly elections. Akhanda Srinivas Murthy. After quitting the JDS, Akhanda Srinivas Murthy contested from the Congress ticket in Pulakeshi Nagar and registered the highest victory margin in the 2018 state election. He defeated JDS candidate B. Prasanna Kumar by a margin of 81,626 votes. It is interesting to note that he has been denied a ticket from Congress and he is now contesting as an independent candidate this time. DK Shivakumar. Congress State Chief DK Shivakumar emerged victorious by a margin of 79,909 votes by defeating JDS candidate Narayana Gowda from Kanagapura in 2018. This time he is being challenged by BJP's R. Ashoka from the same constituency. JDS has fielded B. Nagaraju. Abhay Patil. BJP's Abhay Patil defeated Congress's MD Lakshmi Narayan by a margin of 58,692 votes in Belgaum Dakshin. This time he is taking on Congress's Prabhavati Mastmardi. Yatindra S. Congress leader Siddaramaia's son Yatindra won the seat by a margin of 58,616 votes against BJP's T. Basavaraju. This time he has made the way for his father. Siddaramaiah is taking on BJP's Somanna. Halade Srinivas Shetty. BJP's Halade Srinivas Shetty defeated the Congress's Rakesh Malli by a margin of 56,405 votes in this election. This time he has opted out of contesting the poll. Now let's have a look at the contestants who won the election by the narrowest margins. Pratapagowda Patil. Congress candidate Pratapagowda Patil defeated BJP's Basanagowda Turvihal by a margin of just 213 votes in the Maxi constituency. However, the former switched to the BJP and the latter to the Grand Old Party in the 2021 by-election. Venkataramanappa. Venkataramanappa from Congress defeated the JDS candidate KM Thimmarayappa at Pavagada constituency by a mere margin of 409 votes. Basavanagowda Patil. Congress's Basavanagowda Patil defeated BJP candidate Ujaneshwara Banakar in the Hirekerur constituency by a margin of 555 votes. Channabasappa Satyappa Shivalli. Channabasappa Satyappa Shivalli from Congress emerged victorious in the Kundgol constituency by defeating BJP's Chikkanagowda Siddhanagaud Ishwaragaud by a margin of 634 votes. Guttedar Subhash Rukmaiah. Guttedar Subhash Rukmaiah from the BJP defeated Congress candidate B.R. Patil by a margin of 697 votes in the Aland Assembly constituency. So let's see where the political air shifts this time in this southern state.